High above the Arctic Circle, the Lofoten Islands rise from the Norwegian Sea. A string of rugged peaks, these islands offer breathtaking beauty. Sheer cliffs plunge into turquoise waters. Fjords carve through the landscape, their waters reflecting the sky. This is a place where nature reigns supreme. The islands were formed by glaciers, their retreat leaving behind a dramatic landscape. Fishing villages cling to the shoreline, their brightly colored houses a stark contrast to the wild surroundings. Despite their remote location, the Lofoten Islands have been inhabited for centuries. Vikings once sailed these waters, drawn by the rich fishing grounds. The Lofoten Islands are a paradise for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. Well-marked trails lead through valleys and up mountain slopes. From these heights, the views are simply breathtaking. You can see for miles across the islands and out to the open ocean. The air is fresh and clean, carrying the scent of salt and seaweed. The fjords are a defining feature of the Lofoten landscape. These narrow inlets of water were carved by glaciers over millennia. Today, they offer a glimpse into the raw power of nature. Take a boat trip through the fjords and be amazed by the towering cliffs that rise up on either side. The water is so clear that you can see the bottom, even at considerable depths. The Arctic light is a photographer's dream. In summer, the sun never sets, bathing the islands in a golden glow. This is the time for midnight hikes and kayaking adventures. In winter, the northern lights put on a spectacular show. Green, blue, and purple curtains of light shimmer and dance across the night sky. If you're lucky enough to catch a glimpse, it's an experience you'll never forget. Section 4. Wildlife in a harsh landscape. Despite their harsh environment, the Lofoten Islands are home to a surprising array of wildlife. Seabirds nest on the cliffs, their calls echoing across the water. Eagles soar overhead, their keen eyes scanning the sea for fish. Out at sea, whales and dolphins can sometimes be spotted. Seals bask on the rocks, their sleek bodies glistening in the sun. The islands are also home to a variety of land animals. Reindeer graze on the mountain slopes, their hooves clicking against the rocks. Foxes dart through the undergrowth, their bushy tails trailing behind them. Otters play in the kelp forests, their playful antics a joy to watch. Section 5. Planning your visit. The best time to visit the Lofoten Islands depends on your interests. For hiking and outdoor activities, visit in summer. The days are long and sunny. For northern lights, visit in winter. Be prepared for cold weather. Getting to the Lofoten Islands is easy. Fly to Bodo, then take a ferry. Once there, you'll find good roads and public transportation. Accommodation options range from campsites to hotels. The Lofoten Islands will leave a lasting impression.